From Shridatta's kitchen, today I'll be presenting carrot smoothie, and this is a beautiful diet recipe to give a try. Wow, it's amazing. For this recipe we require the very few ingredients, that is milk, carrot of 2 cups and 4 to 5 spoons of chia seeds and 4 to 5 spoons of flaxseed, 1 cup of oats and 1/4 cup of cashew and 1/4 cup of almonds. You can also skip the almonds and you can add the walnuts if you want, and honey for the sweet. Now in a pan add 1 cup of water and add the carrot to it. Let it get half cooked. By this time we will dry roast all other ingredients. To a pan add the oats and you add all other ingredients and do a nice dry roast till it gets beautifully aromatic, and it will also turn golden brown, and then it is ready. Now you add the almonds and cashews. You can also add pista, sunflower seeds and walnuts to it. You can reduce the cashew content if you want. And now give a dry roast to it. Let it be in a very low medium flame and be stirring continuously, or else it will get too much roasted and the taste won't be nice for the smoothie. Carrot is almost half cooked. You can see one bubble in it, so that now off the gas and transfer it to a container and keep it aside. Let it get cooled down. Once it is completely cooled down, we can add all other ingredients in the blender, add the milk, add the honey, required amount of water, and we can blend it nicely for the carrot smoothie. Here you see it is almost done. It is golden brown in color, even oats has been cooked. Wow, now we will start to blend it. Add the roasted ingredients which has been cooled. Now you add required amount of milk or 1 cup of milk. Add honey to it. I have taken around 5 to 6 spoons of honey. You can also add more amount of honey. If you want, you can also add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. I am just keeping it up because it again not come under the diet. Make a nice blend of it and it will be ready. Just add little bit amount of water to the honey glass so that honey won't be wasted in the glass. It's a very quick recipe. You can have it for a breakfast or you can have it for a snack, and it will fill your tummy. You can enjoy the whole day, and also it is tasty. I am adding more amount of the water to it. Wow, it's just ready. I just need to serve it on the glass. Wow, I can't just wait to have it. Be visiting my channel for such a yummy recipes. Subscribe, like and comment. Enjoy. Happy Sunday.